What it do, Grind Family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you guys something. Would you like to get paid doing something that you do every day? Of course you do. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 per day just by typing. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You are watching App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 per day just by typing. Now, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe right now because I make videos like this every other day. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get into this method right now. I don't want to waste you guys' time. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss not one step to making this money just by typing. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $1,000 per day just by typing. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Text Broker. Now, what you're going to be doing on this website, you're going to be a freelance writer. So you're going to be writing articles and you're going to get paid for them. So once you get to this site, you're going to go ahead and click on menu and you're going to go where it says I write content. It's going to take you to this page. And so it says here, with Text Broker, your writing talent pays off. Text Broker gives you access to thousands of products to turn your writing skills into cash. So you'll click right here where it says free author registration. And as you can see, they work with some big companies, Staples, eBay. And it says here, earn money to write content. So you could turn your passion of writing into money. All right, let's scroll down here and look at some further information. So it says here, why write with Text Broker? Free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payment. And it says here how Text Broker works. Whether you are a beginner or experienced professional, Text Broker has the right project for every author. Receive your first order in just a few steps, just a few simple steps. And let's read about the payment. So Text Broker offers several method of payment options. The better your content, the more you can earn. And then you got writing sources. We are vested in your success. We give feedback to help you refine your skills and access to our blog that includes grammar tips, tutorials, and videos. So if you're just having some issues writing, you can go to that. Part of this site and just click on there, and it'll take you to their blogs and grammar tips and tutorial and videos. So now let's go to right here where it says payment, because I want to show you guys how the payment system works. Okay, right here where it says your earnings at a glance. So this is how they pay you. So if you have 2 stars, your earning is 7 cents a word. 3 stars, 1 cent a word. 4 stars, 1.4 cents a word. 5 stars, 5 cents a word. Now, if you want to go direct order, which it says here, direct orders are just for you. You set your rate per word regardless of quality level, and that's minimum 2.0 cents a word. Then they have like a team order. Team orders are available to any author on the team of a first come first served basis. The client sets the earnings per word for the team, which is a minimum of 1.755 cents a word. Now, let's scroll down here. I want to show you something else right quick. Now, see, they have right here, calculate your open order earnings. So it says here, 2 stars, $7, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to the max. As you can see, $84 for 2 stars quality, 3-star quality, $120, 4-star quality, $168, and $600 for 5-star quality. So you can earn up to $600 if you have 5-star quality work that you are going to be submitting, your articles that you write. So it's going to be a team that's on this website that's going to be checking out your articles. And if it gets up to 5 stars, this is how much you can make. Now, here's some additional money you can make. So, new author bonuses. So, new author bonuses are available only to new 4-star authors who have not yet completed the first 1,000 words. So if you have 4 stars, here's a milestone you can get: 1,000 words, $5 reward; 2,500 words, $10 reward. So that's extra money. Now, you're probably saying how you can make 1,000 a day. Well, the way you can make 1,000 a day is you write 2 articles, and you get those articles 5 to 4 stars as far as quality, and boom, there you go. You can get up to over $1,000, because that'll be $600 for one article, $600 for other, and the milestone rewards that you'll get. So that's how this works. Oh, let me scroll down here and show you a little something else. Quarterly rewards. Quarterly rewards are received as a cash bonus based on your earnings every quarter. So in a quarter, $3,000, you get $150 bonus. $4,000, you get $200 bonus. $5,000, $250 bonus. $6,000, $300 bonus. $7,000, $350 bonus, and so on and so forth. So they have a lot of incentives on here that you guys can get just from writing some articles. All right. So that's all I'm going to tell you about this site. So if you love to write and you're ready to make some money just typing, you can go ahead and go to textbroker.com. So now you know the website you can go to right now where you can start earning up to $1,000 per day just by typing. So go ahead and sign up with that website, start typing, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. And for you guys that stayed with me to this point, please direct your attention to the description below. As you can see in the description, I have a lot of goodies down there that you guys can benefit from. I have a link that you can click on that will get you some money just by signing up with this website. I also have this link where you can click on where you can start making money on autopilot. So just click on where it says my #1 recommended method to make money on autopilot. Just click on that and it will take you to a site where you can start everything. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, before you leave, hit that like button for me. Help me at least get 50 likes, guys, because when I have a lot of likes on my video, it helps my video to be more searchable on YouTube. YouTube will promote my video if I have more likes. Also, drop a comment down below. YouTube loves videos with a lot of engagement. So if it's a lot of comments in my video, again, it will be YouTube will support this video and promote it on their platform. So please drop a comment down below. Also, what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment once I hit 2,500 subscribers. Once I get there, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and I'm going to reward that person and maybe 2 people with some free money. So it'd be beneficial for you guys to drop a comment down there. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Grind family. I love you guys. Thank you for watching all my videos. Every video I put out, you guys are there to support me. Thank you for supporting me. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. But right now, go check out some of my other videos. Peace.